In this video, I will solve this radical question. Okay, it reads, if root of 2x plus 9 is equal to x plus 3, find the value or values of x. Okay, now we have that root of 2x plus 9 is equal to x plus 3. So first thing we want to do is we square both sides. Square both sides. This we cancel this, and we'll have 2x plus 9 is equal to, and we'll expand this. This becomes x plus 3, x plus 3, right? So have 2x plus 9 is equal to x squared plus 3x plus 3x plus 9, that is this multiplied by this x squared, this multiplied by this 3x, this multiplied by this 3x, and this multiplied by this. Okay, so this gives us 2x plus 9 is equal to x squared plus 6x plus 9. So we can collect like terms here. This is 9, this is 9, we can cancel out, and this will remaining 2x is equal to x squared plus 6x. Then 0 is equal to x squared plus 6x minus 2. So 0 is equal to x squared plus 4x. So we can now factorize this, but remember x squared plus 4x is equal to 0. So if we factorize this, we get x open brackets x plus 4 equal to 0. So it is either x is equal to 0 or x plus 4 is equal to 0. So let me finish it up here. So x equal to 0 or x plus 4 equal to 0. So x equal to 0 or x is equal to -4. Now we don't know whether both values are correct. So the only way to do that is to check. So we'll plug in x is equal to 0 into the equation to see what it will give. So let's put x is equal to 0. So for x is equal to 0, we'll have square root of 0 plus 9 is equal to 0 plus 3. So 2 times 0 is 0. 0 plus 9 is 9. So root 9 is equal to 0 plus 3 is 3. Okay, so this one is a value of x, so x is 0. Now let's check for -4 when x is -4. So when x is -4, we'll have root of 2 dot -4 plus 9 also -4 plus 3. So 2 times -4 is -8. -8 plus 9 is -8 plus 9, yes, 2 times 4, yeah. -8 plus 9 is 1, okay. So this is root of 1 is equal to -4 plus 3 is -1. So root of 1 is 1. So 1 is equal to -1. So 1 is not equal to -1 in reality. So this one is not the answer. So the final answer is x equal to 0. All right, see you in my next one.